friends, and welcome back to Sharekhan Advisory's quarterly earning strategies. This time we are covering two companies which will be covering announcing the results tomorrow. The first one is ICICI Bank and the other one is Maruti. First and foremost, we will take ICICI Bank, the fundamentals as per the perspective of the result expectations. We are expecting the company to post strong numbers for the June quarter. As we have seen in FY 2012, the company has posted a growth of around 19% in the net interest income and 25% growth in the PAT that we have seen in FY 2012. In the March quarter 2012, also the bank reported a year-on-year growth of around 23.7% in the net interest income and a 31% rise in the PAT. What we are expecting for the June quarter, a growth of around 26% in the net interest income and a growth of around 31% in the PAT to rupees 1,745 crores from the company. As far as the margins are concerned, the NIM for the bank for the March quarter 2012 stood at around 2.8%, and the bank's asset quality has also been improving in the last 4 quarters, with the NPAs for the March quarter standing at around 0.73%. For the June quarter also, we're expecting the NIMs to remain stable, and also the asset quality is likely to improve because of the better risk management practices which is adopted by the company. During the last 8 quarters, the bank has beaten the estimates on 6 occasions. We'll have a technical check.
Let's now have a technical check on ICICI Bank. The current market price is 920. As you can see from the chart, the stock is hovering between the demand and supply zone. It's a good buy between 915 and 920 levels, as it is near the demand zone. And we can keep a stop loss of 894 in ICICI Bank and trade long for a target of 947 and 955. Support 1 can be seen at 904, whereas support 2 can be seen at 894. Resistance 1 can be seen at 947 and resistance 2 can be seen at 955. Long-term support for the stock can be seen at 850, whereas long-term resistance for the stock can be seen at 990. The 8 days moving average for the stock is at 923, whereas the 13 days moving average is at 920.8.
The next one is Maruti. For quarter 1 FY 2013, we have seen the volumes for Maruti growing by around 5.1% year on year. Now, during this quarter, the company has added one of its major blockbuster Ertiga to its portfolio, which has received a very good response. Swift also became the largest selling product during the quarter, surpassing Alto and Desire. Alto. Desire also continued to show strong sales in the diesel variants. While on the petrol price hikes, we saw the key petrol cars like Alto and WagonR declining the sales sharply. Maruti's revenues we are expecting to grow by around 14.9% year on year to around rupees 9,800 crores. The growth would be higher than the volume growth, backed by improved product mix and the price hikes which the company has taken in the last quarter. The operating profit is expected to be declined by around 7.1% on the back of the high margin base of the previous year, and also because of depreciating rupee, which is likely to affect the cost of the raw materials and the royalty outgo. As far as the margins are concerned, we are expecting the decline in the margins by around 180 basis point. Also for quarter 1 FY 2013, the PAT is expected to decline by around 16.5% to rupees 458 crores, as the lackluster operating performance is likely to have percolated to the bottom line of the company. For the last 8 quarters, the company has announced results. It has beaten estimates on 4 occasions. We'll have a technical check.
Let's now have a technical check on Maruti Suzuki. The current market price is 1118. As you can see from the chart, the stock has just dipped and has touched the demand zone of 1079, 1051. So it's a good buy between 115, 120 levels with a stop loss at 1078 for a target of 1175 and 1197. The support 1 can be seen at 1079, whereas support 2 can be seen at 1051. The resistance 1 can be seen at 1175, resistance 2 can be seen at 1197. Long-term support is at 985, whereas long-term resistance can be seen at 1225 levels. The 8 days moving average for the stock is at 1131.8, whereas 13 days moving average is at 1144.1. Thank you.